there! Welcome back to Swidoo Academy. I'm Aarti, and today we're going to learn how to organize your client portfolio efficiently. By the end of today's session, you'll learn how to organize your client portfolio, set up your monitoring board, set up targets and notifications. So first things first, let's start by adding a new client. Start by clicking on the plus create button. Fill in the client's name, upload their logo, assign team members, to decide who can access this client, and add client contact details by clicking on the three dots on the right-hand side. Don't forget to assign an email that you may need later. Easy, right? Next, we need to connect your client's data sources. This ensures all their data is integrated seamlessly into Swidoo. Choose the relevant data sources such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or any other platform that they use. Follow the prompts to authenticate and link these accounts. With the data sources connected, it's now time to create a report. You can start from scratch or pick a template that suits your needs. Customize the reports by adding widgets that display relevant KPIs such as website traffic, conversion rates, and ad spend. Monitoring is crucial for staying on top of your client's performance. Create your client's monitoring board by selecting the New Board button. Give it a name and customize it with widgets that track important KPIs. Now let's navigate the client's page. Here, you can view all your clients at a glance. Use the search bar to quickly find a specific client or filter by various criteria like assignee or start clients. Set up specific targets and Swidoo will notify you if any targets are unmet. Stay proactive with notifications by configuring alerts under widget settings. Choose which KPIs to monitor and set thresholds. If a target isn't met, Swidoo will alert you, ensuring you can address issues promptly. If your client leaves, you can archive them by clicking on the three dots next to their name. Once archived, you won't be charged for their data sources or reports. If the client returns, simply unarchive them by using the three dots on the main client page. And that's it. You've learned how to efficiently manage your client portfolio in Swidoo. From adding new clients to connecting data sources and setting up monitoring boards, you can now handle client reporting like a pro. In our next session, we'll learn how to create client-centric reports. So stay tuned.